Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session on how to enter relative details of a student. Before we start this activity, we must check that the applicant's details have been entered in the screen Student Personal Details. Let us see the steps to capture the relative details of the student. Click on the MSTAR button and select Module Admission. The name of the module appears in the main screen, indicating that we are now working in the admission module. Click on the button Activities and select the screen Student Relative in School from the list. As the screen opens, select the academic year, select session in which the student is admitted. Click on the View button and enter the name of the student for whom we want to enter the details. Click on the name of the student and the details appear on the main screen. The details can also be retrieved on the screen by directly entering the school admission number in the field School Admission Number and pressing enter on the keyboard. In the section Relatives Detail, we enter the relative details of the student. For this, first select whether the relative is being captured in the same branch or in the other branch. If in the same branch, click on the circle next to the text Same Branch and the circle gets highlighted. Click on the box next to the relatives text and select a relative type for which we want to enter the details. If we select the relative as the student, then in the next field, class or department, we see the name of the class and sections. Once we select any class and section, then the next field would show the student identifier, that is the name of the students of the section that we have selected. Similarly, in the relative type, we have selected teacher, then the next field class or department will show the list of departments in which teachers are associated. For example, if we choose administration as a department, then the next field, the teacher name, would show the name of the teachers who are associated to the selected department. If we select relative as the non-teacher, then again the next field will show the list of the departments, and on selecting a department, the next screen will show the non-teacher name which are associated to the department that we have just selected. So let us continue. We have selected the relative type as non-teacher, we have selected the department as administration, and we are selecting the name of the teacher as relative to the student. Next, select the relationship of the selected teacher to the student and click on the Add button. As we click on the Add button, the details of the relative gets added to the grid below. Click on the Save button on the toolbar to save the data. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. If for the student we want to enter the relative details in the other branch, then click on the circle next to the text Other Branch. In this case, again we select the relative type. In the next field, it shows the branch where we enter the name of the branch in which the student's relative is studying or working. You can enter maximum 50 characters in this field and both text and number can be entered. Data in this field is optional for the saving of the screen. Next, enter the student identifier, that is the name of the relative, and select the relationship. Click on button Add and click on button Save to save the details. Click OK on the confirmation message received for saving, and the details for both Same Branch and Other Branch for the student's relative is saved. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Now let us see and check whether the details as entered are correctly saved. Click on the academic year. Select the session in which the student details were entered. Click on the View button and select the name of the student for which we want to check the details. As we click on the student, the details appear on the screen. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen and repeat these steps to enter relative details of other students as required. Now let us see the steps to delete the saved relative details of an existing student. Select the current academic year, select session in which the student is admitted, click on button view and enter the name of the student. The details as entered appear on the main screen. To delete a row, click on the row of the relative which needs to be deleted and click on button delete next to the grid. The data confirmation for deletion appears. If you are sure that you want to delete this row, then click on button yes. The selected row becomes highlighted in a different color. Click on button save. The data saving confirmation message is received and upon clicking on OK, the record of the relative disappears from the grid, indicating that the record is deleted. Click on the clear button. You can retrieve the student again in the same session and check whether the details have been deleted correctly. And as we check, the data updation or the deletion is done correctly. Click on button clear and repeat these steps for other students as required. One of the key points that you need to remember is that the details as you have saved in the applicant relative details for any applicant becomes available in the student relative details automatically and you may not need to re-enter them. Thank you for watching this video.